So for installation of the keypad, let's first start up Kinetic NC. And configuration settings are defined over here, but you'll see that some of these settings are grayed out, and that's because you need to be a logged in user in order to enter those. So let's go to our client admin and our default password 1234. We'll hit login, and now we're logged in. If we go to configuration, you can see that all the items are on grade. So what we want to do is actually update the hotkeys, and you can see that this is where the various settings are defined. So what we'll do here first of all is go to File, Import Settings, and by default it'll list all these settings that you might be able to install, but if we go and find the file that we're going to install, that will then just select just the hotkeys. So if you want to go to the Pro Tools website and just type in wireless here, okay, wireless remote control, click on that, and you'll see here in the various resources, you'll see a Kinetic NC config file. Go to right click, save link as, and then just save it to my desktop, okay, and that will save a file which is called keypadconfig.ini. So if I point to that on my desktop, here we go, double click, and you'll see that this relates to the hotkeys. And if I then hit open, when I go to hotkeys now, you should see yes, it's defined a set of maps, a set of hotkeys. So essentially that's it. Now your remote control will be active, and when you press the buttons it'll activate on your system.